Didn't know it was Throwback Thursday, am I right?
What?
I said...
What was that?
Didn't know it was Throwback Thursday, am I right?
Throwback You're dissing on my wired headphones?
I am. Did you see these?
What are those?
These are AirPods, man.
What? You can't be wired headphones quality.
Yeah, well these, I can barely hear you.
Those are not even active noise canceling, right?
How do you know about that?
What?
You shouldn't know about that yet. I mean, you might have those Bose, but I mean, come on. These are way better than Bose.
I have over-the-ear headphones.
Whatever.
They're not comfortable enough. That's why I wear in-ear headphones.
Whatever. I need to be this place where I can stay rich, not be with the poor.
What? Okay,
come on.
Whatever.
Just leave.
Whatever.
Just leave.
One eternity later.
Can I help you?
I'm sorry, what? Did you say something?
I said,
sorry, bro. This is active noise canceling. Okay, what? What was that?
I said, can I help you?
Oh, okay. Sorry, I don't speak broke.
Man, he got me this time. Welcome back to another video. Today we're reviewing the... What are these? What are these?
The Apple headphones? The wired AirPods.
I don't think this is the one
wait, no, I got it.
Oh, okay. Don't know what I'm supposed to do with this now. Let's just get it.
Here they are.
Here we go.
The AirPods. There they are. That's it.
He's not wrong. These are the Gen 1 AirPods. They're pretty good, I will say. But
Oh, you want the
Air Max? The Air Max?
I don't have the Air Max.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's fine. It's overpriced. This is the Airpods Pro, and today we're going to do a review on it. So, without further ado, we will unbox this, and there will be no need for a knife. So, let's go for it. And I hope you guys enjoyed that little skit before the pre-skit here. What was that? Yeah, that was pretty, so stupid. Okay, so, of course, you get the design by Apple California. Wow, you just have it right in front of you. These are what I like to call the Dyson hair dryers, because they literally look like mini hair dryers. I mean, seriously, like, Apple can never get a break without people memeing their AirPods. The first one being like, of course, the, oh, I don't speak broke and all. The second one being the Dyson air dryers. The third one had some interesting things with their Air Max case, I will say. It appeared to look like clothing, and yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. So, anyways, that's it there. Those are the new AirPods Pro. Of course, when we compare to the old ones, this is a wider case, and
do these have spatial audio?
This does, and it also has the transparent, I think, transparency mode. Is that what it's called?
Active noise canceling.
We're gonna compare this Gen 1 AirPods to the Gen 2 AirPods, and well, I mean, actually, well, I shouldn't say that. I should say AirPods Pro AirPods. So we have the left ear piece, and we also have the left earpiece for this as well. One is smaller but a little wider. The other one is longer and less wider. So, should we test this out audio? Of course we would. I mean, what else were we supposed to do? Huh?
They won't be able to hear it.
That's true, they won't be able to hear it. Just imagine yourself having the AirPods in your ears.
We'll see your reaction.
You can see my reaction. And we're gonna use these with our MacBook Pro, because they're both Pros. Let's connect them and see how, wow, that, whoa, okay. Wow, I really can't hear anything at all. But that's only because of my throat.
Can you hear me?
I can barely hear you. What? I can hear them snapping, of course, because it's loud. It's so weird. Like, you can't even hear the AC anywhere. You can't hear this clock ticking, which usually that clock would be super loud. How do I get it off this transparency mode?
I don't know.
Is there a way to get this off? It said press and hold.
So if I talk something while you're pressing and holding?
Now I can hear everything now.
So now you can hear everything?
I can hear your voice so clearly.
Wow.
But like when I
talk now, how about now? Explain what you're hearing.
That is insane. Like
What's
it's like it's not even a button, but like I like just tap it for like 5 seconds.
Yeah.
And all my voice comes back. What it sounds like when you're speaking, it sounds like you're speaking from like a really terrible speaker.
Wow.
But like it's super quiet. Can you try to talk?
Yeah, I'm talking right now.
I can't hear you at all.
You can't hear me at all?
I can only hear the song.
I'm saying a lot of things right now. You can't. Active noise.
Now I can hear you because I turned the transparency off or on. That's what I meant. But like when I turn it off, you try to start speaking.
Active voice canceling. Apple.
That is pretty good. I'll give it to Apple for that one.
Thank you, Steve Jobs. You can't hear anything I'm saying.
I don't know what you're saying.
I can say anything I want about you right now and you won't hear anything. YouTube can hear me, but you can't hear me.
I can't hear you at all. Say it now.
No, you'll have to watch it in post.
What?
Watch it in post and you can hear what I said in post.
This song, this is called Hold Up by Fashion. If you guys want to listen to the song, I will be actually including this in the previous video that we did, so if you want to go check that out as well.
You're going to link it in this video?
I'll link it in the description. How about that? We'll also link the AirPods in the description as well. It's pretty crazy, and I can't even tell how loud I'm talking. Let's see, I'm talking. Okay, I was talking at like normal volume, so.
And normal speed.
And normal speed as well.
Unless the YouTube, they set it to twice the speed.
Unless they set it up at 2 times speed. And you can transition from that so quickly. Wow, that is just. I'm lost for words for these headphones. I love Samsung. I hate Apple. But I gotta say, I'll give it to Apple for these AirPods Pros because these are some nice headphones. Like,
You're gonna say that right in front of my face?
Okay, the cameraman, he loves Apple a lot.
What? Okay, whatever.
He loves them so much that he works for them. I'm saying it's right in his face that I hate Apple, and it's true because with a passion I do hate Apple.
It's just the guy who's using a MacBook Pro.
Who's also using the MacBook Pro,
And,
AirPods
like
Pros.
half your reviews are on Apple products, more than half.
Fair play. But you're probably wondering, like, I'm wearing the same shirt from the last video. What's going on? I filmed this video in the same time that we filmed the last video. So, yeah, that's, yeah. Other than that, these are some really nice headphones, and I gotta say, I'll give it to Apple for this one. I never tried the new Samsung headphones yet. We might in the future, who knows? But that's gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a comment down below if you like these or not, if you like Apple or not. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.